So now we have seen what do you mean by pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So now we are going to see the different pronouns on this chart. In the first part, I am going to match the pronoun, the correct pronoun with its noun. So I have Pat and I. So when we say Pat and I, we are talking about two people, and we are talking about the pronoun, the personal pronoun in the plural form. So Pat and I, we are talking about ourselves. So we say we. So Pat and I. So we use the word we. Instead of saying Pat and I say we. The next sentence I have Joseph. So we are talking about one person, personal and singular form. Then I use he, Joseph, he. In the third we have Aliso. Aliso, we are talking about a girl. Again, it is a personal pronoun and in the singular form. So I use she. I use the word she. Next comes the big truck. So when we talk about non-living things, things that don't have life, then we use the word it. We don't use he or she. He or she is used for living things. And when we talk about a non-living thing, we say it. So the big truck is it. And in our last example, we have Kevin and Martin. We are talking about two other people and they are in the plural form. So we say they. So we use the word they. So these are all the nouns, and these nouns are being replaced by the pronouns. So Pat and I say, instead of saying Pat and I, we say we. Joseph, he. Aliso, she. The big truck. So when we talk about a non-living thing, we use the word it. Kevin and Martin, we are talking about other people and it is in the plural form, so we use the word they. So these are all the pronouns that are being used. Next we have a list of pronouns and we are going to fill in the blanks with the appropriate pronoun. So mine, yours, his, hers, is, ours, those. These are all the pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, is, ours, theirs. So these are all the possessive pronouns and we are going to fill in the blanks with the appropriate pronoun. So the first sentence is, I have a new book. It is, so I have a new book. I am talking about mine, my personal book. So then I use the word mine. I have a new book. It is mine. So I write the word mine. In the next sentence, she has a new cat. So we are talking about the next person. She has a new cat. It is, then we take the pronoun hers. It is hers. So the cat belongs to her. It is hers. We write the word hers. In the next sentence, they have new pillows. It is, so we are talking about some other people. Possessive pronouns. So they have new pillows. It is theirs. We are talking about possessive plural pronouns. So it is theirs. So I use the word theirs. In the next sentence we have new pillows. So we are talking about our own, our personal. We have personal plural pronouns. So we have new pillows. It is ours. So I write the word ours. We have new pillows. It is ours. The next sentence, we have new shoes. They are ours. We have new shoes. The shoes are ours. They belong to us. They are ours. So all these pronouns are used instead of the nouns book, cat, pillows. So instead of saying they are our pillows, we are saying they are ours. In the next sentence, you have a new toy, it is yours. You have a new toy, it is yours. So it is a possessive pronoun in the singular form. Next, the dog has a new bone, it is its. So we write the word its. The dog has a new bone, it is its. So the bone belongs to the dog, and we use the word it or its for a thing that is a non-living thing. So the bone is a non-living thing. Next, the book belongs to her, it is hers. So the book belongs to her, so it is hers. The next, the coat belongs to me, it is, when I talk about personal, so something belongs to me, so it is mine. The coat belongs to me, it is mine. And the last sentence we have, the chair belongs to Mary, it is hers. So the chair belongs to Mary, it is hers. So we have, I have a new book, it is mine. She has a new cat, it is hers. They have new pillows, it is theirs. We have new pillows, it is ours. We have new shoes, they are ours. You have a new toy, it is yours. The dog has a new bone, it is its. The book belongs to her, it is hers. The coat belongs to me, it is mine. The chair belongs to Mary, it is hers. So the words mine, hers, theirs, ours, yours, its, hers, mine, hers are all the pronouns that take the place of the noun. So instead of repeating the noun again, we use these pronouns. So a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So children, I hope you have understood this exercise about pronouns. We will do some more exercise to make it more simple for you to understand the concept of pronouns.